Hello track saw lovers and devotees. Are you looking to take your track saw to the next level? Perfect, then stay tuned for the full review of the GRS16 from TSO Products. But if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hammer that like button and subscribe. So this, folks, is the GRS16 from TSO Product. It is the original guide rail square. This version is actually thicker in aluminum but lighter than the original generation. It is self-aligning. It is made from T6 aluminum and then anodized. The latch is made of stainless steel, and this product is made in the US. It weighs 1.71 pounds. It measures roughly 15.2 by 6, and it is roughly 3/8 in thickness. It does work for the Festool, the Makita, and the Triton. It does not work for the Bosch or DeWalt. And it does offer, or TSO does offer, a lifetime warranty with this. Now they do offer a second model called the GRS16 PE, which is, it'll be a square right here. And this will allow you to either reference the front or the back. I found this model to be more than sufficient for what I use it for. I like referencing from the front anyways. So if you want to take that extra step and get both of them, they do offer a combo package, but like I said, I found this one to be more than sufficient. So next, let's get into the tool and see it in use. The first thing you want to do, obviously, is grab your track, and then it's gonna slide into this. And then depending on where you want to put it, you could put it up against here, and then this is actually gonna attach on to your track, which is awesome. And then it automatically self-aligns. You push it up against your piece, and then just to double check, you can even square up the other side just to make sure, and it's perfect. So now you know you have a perfect square cut coming your way, and with the grip on the track saw, there's really no sway, and all you gotta do is just make sure you hold this while you do it, and you're good to go. So what are my overall thoughts about this? Honestly, I kind of regret not getting this sooner. I use my track saw for everything. I don't like pushing a lot of plywood through my table saw, or at least, I have to buy it in full sheets. So I use my track saw to cut it down before it even gets to the table saw. And honestly, I regret not getting this a lot sooner. It does feel of very high quality, and I love the fact that TSO offers a lifetime guarantee behind the product, so they stand behind it. And I love tools that there's no setup. It's just you can take it and go, and this is one of those tools. So if you do use your track saw a lot, or pretty much all the time, I would definitely consider it. It is a little bit on the higher end, but again, you get what you pay for, and it feels like a very high quality product. Thanks for watching the video. Hammer that like button and subscribe.